Scienscope products, the leaders in optical inspection and video inspection products. The Scienscope CC-97-LN1 macro lens is a very versatile lens which has an extremely long working distance and depth of field. The CC-97-LN1 also delivers a very wide field of view. The lens has the ability to zoom from low to high magnification and delivers a wide field of view, which allows you to see more of the part at one time. This makes it quick and easy to zoom the lens for high resolution inspection. There are 3 simple adjustments on the macro lens. Fine focus allows you to move the lens to the desired distance and then focus. The aperture adjustment allows light to be presented to the camera. This lens is very light sensitive, which makes it easy to get a clear and crisp image on the monitor. The zoom ring allows you to increase optical zoom ranges from 5x to 60x depending on the distance the lens is positioned to the part. This means that if the lens is positioned on the stand at 5 inches away, you will see a 1.5 inch field of view on the screen with a 13 to 70x magnification range. If the lens is 10 inches away, you will see a 3 inch field of view on the screen with a 5.5 to 30x magnification range. The macro lens adapter SB7647 slides on top of the lens and then drops into any stand or articulating arm. The macro lens provides superb detail and magnification flexibility. Our most popular configuration combines our VersaCam HDMI camera with built-in image capture for amazing images. We offer a wide variety of packages that will accommodate any workspace or environment. Click on the enclosed link to go directly to our website and learn more about Scienscope products and optical measurement systems.